Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel all about being you. Watch the video tutorial of party makeup look without foundation and concealer. It's important to moisturize your face before applying makeup. I'm using aloe vera gel as a moisturizer. Apply the gel and gently rub it across. Let the skin absorb it. The next step is to apply a primer. I'm using Himalayas Clear Complexion Day Cream as a primer. I recommend you guys to invest in some good primers since it forms the base of any makeup look. The third step is correcting your skin tone. Corrector helps to hide your blemishes, acne, or any dark patches on the face. Instead of using an orange corrector, I use Lakme 925 Primer Lipstick in the shade Coral Date, a similar one. I used compressed powder in the shade a little darker to my skin tone to set the lipstick in the areas I've used. I'm not a big fan of foundation or concealer since it gives me a heavy makeup look. So here I use Lakme CC cream in the shade bronze. For CC cream to blend, better use fingers than brushes. Apply the cream in dots and gently tap in circular motions to blend. Under the eyes, just put some extra CC cream and blend. If you want more coverage, you can apply another layer too. Though it looks white while applying, after some time it gets oxidized with my skin and gives a flawless look. The next step is baking. So I'm going to take some loose powder and going to bake it under eyes and oily zones of my face. You can also go with the compressed powder of your skin tone for this step. After some time, I'm just removing the excess powder from my face using the fluffy brush. Now it's done for your eye makeup. Instead of eye primer, I'm using the same CC cream above my eyelids as a base, and I also define my lower eyebrows with a pointed brush. After blending the cream, I'm setting them up with the compressed powder. For today's look, I'm going to use Wet n Wild Comfort Zone palette. I mentioned the 3 shades from which I'm going to create my eye look. Always start with the crease. So I'm taking the dark brown color from the palette and I'm applying on the crease area of my eye. I'm also defining my outer corners with the same color. For the inner corner, I'm taking a light shimmer shade from the palette and blend them perfectly. Next, I'm applying black kajal for the upper eyelid. I'm using Maybelline Colossal Kajal. And a brown shimmer kajal to the lower lid. This is from Colorbar. I also linked all the products I have used in the description box below, so kindly check it if you want. For brows, I first start with brushing it. After that, using Dazzler eyebrow pencil, I'm drawing the outline and then filling it in. Put little on the starting of your brows to have a natural look. After that, just brush and set the brows. If you want, you can highlight the brow bone using an highlighter. Now I'm lining my eye with a black eyeliner which is from Miniso. I'm going to form a winged eyeliner look. Next step is coating my lashes with mascara. The product I'm using is Walk Free Mascara from Blue Heaven. With the help of a lash comb, I'm just untangling the clogged lashes. For contouring, I'm using the same dark brown shade from my eyeshadow as a bronzer and start to contour my cheeks, forehead and nose with that. I would always love to use lipstick as blush. Here I'm using lipstick from Queen Collection Miniso in the shade pink, applying the lipstick on my cheekbones and blending it using brush. Then next step is highlighter. I'm using complete nude highlighter palette from Miniso Queen Collection. Above the blush, just apply some highlighter in a straight line and also on the tip of the nose and upper lip. So coming to the last step, applying lipstick from Lakme Veilous Matte Mousy in the shade Plum Feather. So guys, this is the final look of today's makeup. I also attached some of different outfits and poses created with this amazing look. Though I skipped lots of makeup products, I didn't skip any of the steps. I hope you guys liked it. For more such videos, like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.